Hey there, are you finding it challenging to generate leads on LinkedIn in 2024? If so, you're in the right place because today, I'm going to share with you the ultimate LinkedIn lead generation strategy for this year. Welcome back to the channel, where we help you level up your business game. In this video, I'll be diving into the most effective LinkedIn lead generation strategy for 2024 and why it's absolutely crucial for your business's success. Let's face it, businesses everywhere are facing common challenges when it comes to generating leads on LinkedIn. With the platform constantly evolving, it's more important than ever to have a solid strategy in place to cut through the noise and stand out from the competition. So, what are the key elements of the ultimate LinkedIn lead generation strategy for 2024? Firstly, profile optimization is key. Make sure your profile is complete, up to date, and showcases your expertise effectively. Secondly, content creation is essential. Share valuable content that resonates with your target audience to attract and engage them. Lastly, engagement tactics are crucial. Interact with your connections, participate in relevant discussions, and build relationships that can lead to valuable leads. Now here's the moment you've been waiting for. The most impactful tip that can significantly boost lead generation on LinkedIn is to leverage the power of personalization. Tailor your messages, connection requests, and content to resonate with your audience on a personal level. This human touch can make all the difference in converting leads into clients. To wrap things up, implementing the ultimate LinkedIn lead generation strategy for 2024 is a game changer for your business. By optimizing your profile, creating valuable content, and engaging authentically, you can attract high-quality leads that convert into loyal customers. Remember, consistency is key, so stay committed to the strategy for long-term success. Before you go, make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more valuable tips and strategies. I'd love to hear from you as well, so drop your own LinkedIn lead generation tips in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.